Hey, everyone! Last time we covered a quick start guide for Musnap. This time we'll dive into advanced features. If you're a night owl, you'll love our dark mode. With a quick gesture, pull down from the top right corner to activate dark mode. Meticulously calibrated by our developers. The black background with white text delivers exceptional visual quality. Currently, this feature is available only on monochrome e-ink screens. Pair it with our reading lamp, featuring 30 brightness levels and color temperature adjustment, to suit a variety of reading scenarios. Need to import books without a data cable? Here's a simple solution. Musnap offers 3 transfer methods: via Wi-Fi QR code, data cable, or even direct transfer between 2 devices. What if you can't find the book you want? We've got you covered with the Play Store, where you can download all kinds of third-party apps for reading, news, and more. Additionally, the Screensaver interface can display not only images but also your schedule. And the schedule feature, you can jot down your daily to-do list and set it as your screensaver to remind you to complete your daily tasks, perfect for business professionals. There are simply too many features to cover in one video. We plan to walk you through each one in future episodes. If you're interested, be sure to follow us. See you next time.